But
alright, that is sealed and screwed at the back with screws, and now I'm going to line it. The soil is in, and now I'm going to put my plants in there, maybe also some seeds. Yeah. This one will propagate everywhere. They're like kind of creepers. This one will go high, this one will go high too. This one will shoot off slowly some more. This is one of those cuttings too, from this one or this one. Same thing for those one, they will grow. That's the donkey tail that is going to whip down on the side, so that this one may whip down and creep along everywhere. This one is going to create flowers, that's great for the bees, and this one is great for the bees too, because bees like it.
And this creeper actually create those little pink flowers that bees love, so...
First lead.
Get a glass and drink out of the glass.
I got that fire, 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 fire.